Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in a daily newspaper on Tuesday, November the 26th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional, the additional. With 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will do these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, I've heard that there's a ceasefire, between Israel and Lebanon. Hezbollah, All right, that's the news. This one will be number 9654. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, it's indicated with the 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with the 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in that column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For them is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, third column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then 2 numbers left now in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Then, let me see. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, 1, 1, 1. Oh, wait, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. Then, let me see. 5, 5. 4, 4, okay. How about? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. Then let me see. Yeah. 3, 9, and the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Come on, come on. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 should be here. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and the 9. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. Need 8 here. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 8 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see digit number 1. How about the 7s? And all the 7s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 7. 8, 8. Then 8, 8. Okay. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then, 3, 3. Okay, need a 3 there. 3, 6. And then 9. Come on. I need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Need a 3. 3, 9, and a 5. 5. Need a 5 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 6 is missing, and 5 is missing. 4, 6. 4, 6. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Well, it seems like I'm stuck here. Well, 2 need, well, no, need a 2 here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, no. Again, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. Then, you have 3 here. You have 3 there. Come on. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place level 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 9, 5, and 6. I need a 6 here. Yeah. Need an 8. Well, in this column we need an 8. Here came an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here came an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So Only place level 8 in this column should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 8 should be there. 9, 3, and I need a 5 here. I need a 5 in this row. Here, give me 5, we have 5 in this third column, no 5 there. Here, give me 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. So the only place level 5 should be there. So the 9 and the 3 are left here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place level 5 should be there. And I need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place level 4 should be here. Or there, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. Need a 5, need a 5 here. Need a 5 there, okay. Do we have all the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Yeah, digit number 4, number 8. Okay, 5 here. How about the 6 then? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 2 boxes here. 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left of 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 6 should be there. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place level 6 should be here. 6, 6, 1 box left now in the first row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next, on last column. The only place level 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here should be also 3 and 9. 3, 9, and I need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place level 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 place level 4 should be here. Or there we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 2 numbers should be the 9 and the 3 here. Here also 9 and the 3 here. Oh, we have a 9 now in this column. So no 9 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 9 and 3, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 9 and the 3, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes and there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.